Hello guys, welcome to High Tech Droid YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss on how to make a bootable USB. To make a bootable USB, we need to follow these 3 steps. Step 1 is to download required software. To make a bootable USB, we are going to use a software called PowerISO. So let's download the software. Open a Chrome browser and type URL poweriso.com. Here you can see download now button. Click on download now button. It will ask for your PC version. My PC has 64-bit version, so I download the 64-bit version. Also guys, we need ISO file that we are going to boot on USB. You can use any ISO file. In this video I am going to use Kali Linux ISO file. Step 2 is to install PowerISO software. To install a PowerISO software, open a PowerISO setup file that we already downloaded. Click I agree. Guys, please uncheck these 3 options and click accept and install the software. Now we have successfully installed the PowerISO software. Step 3 is to boot your ISO file into the pendrive. To boot your ISO file you need a pendrive. So I just inserted the pendrive. I have a 4 GB pendrive. The minimum requirement of pendrive is 4 GB. Now open PowerISO software. Wait for 3 seconds. Now go to tools and select the option create bootable USB drive. Now in image file you need to select the ISO file. In destination USB drive you need to select the pendrive. Now click on the start button. Guys, it will take some time, up to 9-10 minutes. So I fast forward the video. So guys, you can see we successfully make a bootable USB. If you like this video, please subscribe High Tech Droid YouTube channel. Also, if you have any error in making bootable USB, comment here. We will help you to make a bootable USB. Thanks for watching this video.